Welcome to Mel Bear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I will show you how to make this easy spun cotton Christmas pickle, which you can hide on your tree Christmas morning, ready for the first person who finds it to get an extra Christmas treat. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. It does help my little channel grow. Thanks so much for watching. So today we're going to do a quick and easy cotton spun tutorial. We are going to make a Christmas pickle. Now, I don't know if the Christmas pickle is actually a thing, but I've been told it is numerous times. And we used to do something similar. You place the Christmas pickle on the tree, and the first person to find the Christmas pickle got an extra present. So today we're going to make a quick cotton spun Christmas pickle. Usually the pickles were made out of blown glass. The ones I have always were, or the ones I have seen always were. And it's just a fun little tradition to do if you haven't done it yet. Now you can start. So we're just going to take a 20 gauge wire and you're just going to loop it into a pickle shape with a loop on the top, and the loop on the top is going to be your loop to hang it. And now we're just going to bend that out a little more. And then we're just going to take our cotton and we're just going to wrap it around there. Don't think we'll need as much as I have here, but we're just going to take the cotton, we're just going to wrap it directly around your little wire frame. So this really can't get much easier. Alternatively, you can make this more of a base by using foil and tape, but we're not going to do that today. We're just going to use the wire. And then we're just going to flatten that down with our water and glue mixture. Keep getting glitter from everywhere because I've been doing some glittery projects as well. Of course, I still have glitter everywhere. Really doesn't matter if I get some glitter on our pickle anyways, because I think I'm going to put glitter on the pickle when we're done anyways. I may or may not glitter my pickle. And I'm just kind of poking this with my paintbrush to give it some kind of pickle texture. because pickles aren't exactly lumpy like that, nor are they flat. So we're just going to poke it and give it some little spots. All right, and that's it. We're going to let this dry till tomorrow, and then we are going to paint it. All right, so now we're going to paint our Christmas pickle. And for that, I've got, you can pretty much use any green paint. I've got some Liquitex Basics paint, which I'm going to use. I've got it in a couple colors. And I may add some yellow as well here. All right, and we're just going to water down our paint a little. And then we're just going to give it a nice little coat of green. You can pretty much paint your pickle any color you want, but I think green is the appropriate pickle color. And are there any other cotton spun things you guys would like me to make? You can leave your suggestions in the comments section. Any kind of cotton spun creatures or objects you'd like me to make, just let me know, and I will get on that. All right, and we're gonna let this dry overnight, and I'll be back to finish it tomorrow. And here is our finished little pickle. And you can decorate your pickle with glitter if you wish. You can put little seed beads on it, whatever you want, or you can gloss it over so it's kind of shiny with like a triple thick gloss. I think I'm actually going to put some glitter onto my little pickle here, just on a couple spots. So I've got this chunky glitter from Recollections in lime, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm just going to paint this with some triple thick by Deco Art. This is one of my favorite glosses. I'm going to paint the whole pickle, and then I'm just going to go over it a little thicker where I want to put the glitter. So it's just kind of like a little bit like a glue, but we want to make this a bit shiny. You could also use clear glue or white glue if you don't have any triple thick, or whatever kind of medium you have for sealing. I think Liquitex makes something as well. I find the triple thick is probably the most reasonable gloss you can get for doing this. Right, and then we're just going to sprinkle this with the glitter and just make sure your little plate is clean, or your piece of paper, whatever you use. All right, and there we go. We're going to hang this and let it dry. And here is our finished pickle. It actually almost looks like stained glass, which is funny. It's very cute. I like it. I'll definitely make some more of them. It was pretty easy to make. It's very pickly looking. I tried to take some pictures of it hanging on my tree, but they didn't turn out very well, so I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial on making your own cotton spun pickle. I put out at least one new video every week, so please give my video a like and a subscribe. It is free, and it does help build my little channel so I can keep making you more videos. Thanks so much for watching.